Good morning, students. We are going to discuss electrostatics with a section connectivity for a uniformly charged ring. So here, this is uniformly charged ring. Uniformly charged ring. It is a positive charge. The total charge on ring is capital Q. Its radius R. Already we discussed previous class. Field at center is 0. Field at center of ring is 0. That's why any charge kept at center of ring, it does not experience any force. That's why here, now that charge, suppose here plus Q is kept at center of the ring, it does not experience any force. Now field at center 0, now Q charge is kept at center. If it is the positive or negative, force acting on it is 0 because field is 0. Suppose here this charge, take positive, it is displaced slightly from equilibrium position or equilibrium position slightly, it is displaced slightly from equilibrium position. Which is the equilibrium position? Equilibrium position is the center of the ring is the equilibrium position. Net force on plus Q is 0. Or net force on minus Q also 0 if it is kept at center of ring. Now plus Q is there, it is displaced slightly from equilibrium position. Kept, this charge is displaced from center to here, plus Q is kept. Here field due to ring on the axis, if it is a positive charge field along the line passing through center perpendicular to plane of ring, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into x by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. Already we discussed that one. Then, sir, here it is the x is very small. What happens, sir? As x is very small. That means here r square plus x square is equal to r square. X is very small, r square value large comparable to x. And that means x is very small means what? That means x less than r. That's why r square plus x square equal to r square. Therefore, field at a distance x from the center of the circular ring is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into x by this value is what? R square whole power 3 by 2. R square whole power 3 by 2. So this cancel. That's why R cube. We have to write here R cube. R cube. So field at that point. Suppose here this is the positive na? Field this side. Force acting on positive. In the direction of the field this side. If it is negative, this side opposite to the field. This is a positive, what happens, sir? Force acting on this one. If it is Q charge is kept at center, it does not experience any force. If it is displaced from center, it never comes back because here it is away from the center. Force is this side along the direction of the field. That's why this Q never oscillate simple harmonic motion. It does not oscillate in simple harmonic motion. It is not a oscillatory motion if it is plus Q. Suppose here, sir, same minus Q is kept at center. At center there is no force acting on it. Now minus Q is displaced slightly along the line. Minus Q is displaced and released. What happened? If it is displaced x distance from the center of the ring along the axis, that's why what happens, sir? Field this side. Here negative charge is there. Force acting on the negative charge in a field is opposite to the field towards center. Force acting on minus Q in a field is this side. Is the field this side. Negative charge, force acting on the negative charge in a field opposite to the field. That's why it acts as a restoring force. Restoring force restoring force on charge minus Q. F is equal to QE towards center. Restoring we have to take minus QE. F equal to MA, net force acting on that one. MA is equal to, therefore here A is equal to minus Q by M into E. E value, this one. X is already, assumption is over. It is displaced slightly now. A is equal to minus Q by M into E 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Qx by R cube. Therefore, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q, small q, by M into R cube into X. So here this is the constant term, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q, small q, mr cube. That's why A is directly proportional to minus X. Take this is the equation 1. So A is directly proportional to minus X. So it is in linear SHM. It is in linear SHM. A is equal to, if a particle executing in linear SHM, acceleration is equal to minus omega square x. X is the displacement from equilibrium position and omega is the angular velocity, and this is the comparing equation 1 and 2, we get the relation. Comparing equation 1 and 2, here comparing equation 1 and 2, comparing equations 1 with equation 2, we get, sir, here A minus xx omega square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by mr cube. Therefore omega is equal to, omega square equal to this much na, omega equal to root over. Sir, then time period t equal to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by omega means this one by omega, here 4 pi epsilon naught mr cube by q cube. This is the time period of a particle. Sir, here if it is displaced slightly and released executing simple harmonic motion. Sir, suppose here minus q is displaced from center largely. It is displaced and released. Suppose here x is large, what happen? It is to and fro motion. Here F is towards center. That's why to and fro motion. It is oscillatory motion, not a simple harmonic motion. So here this is the concept. Okay? Okay, write down all of you.